In this video, I'll unveil the truth about the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, a powerful weight loss solution. Discover its essence, active ingredients, dosage, and the incredible benefits it brings. Don't rush into buying before learning everything. Check the link in the description for more details. So, what is Okinawa? It's a game changer inspired by the healthy habits of the Okinawan people, known for their fit bodies and low obesity rates. The tonic addresses the root cause of obesity crop, an inflammatory protein hindering fat burning. Okinawa shuts down CRP, activating adiponectin to torch belly fat swiftly. Let's dive into the active ingredients. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, a polyphenol blend, a metabolic boosting mix, and a digestive support blend, Okinawa is a holistic approach to weight loss. It's not just a supplement. It's a journey towards overall health. Concerned about the dose? Fear not. Just mix a scoop of Okinawa with water after breakfast daily. Exceeding the recommended dose isn't advisable. Okinawa's formula is finely tuned for optimal results. But wait, there's more. Purchasing Okinawa comes with incredible One Assessor 21-day flat belly manual, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Drinks Guide, Quick Start Nutrition Plan, 100 fat-burning recipes, and energy-boosting smoothies. These guides complement your journey to a healthier you. Now, let's talk price. With a special offer, a 30-day supply is just $69 plus shipping. Opt for multi-bottle packages for even bigger discounts, bringing the cost down to as low as $49 per bottle for a 180-day supply. Worried about commitment? Don't be. They offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. This isn't just a purchase. It's an investment in your well-being. Check out the link in the description for more information, real user reviews and testimonials. Subscribe for updates. And thank you for joining me on this transformative journey with Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic.